Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I just want to do a quick nail tutorial. I'm going to be using some full covered tips to get this set done. I will be doing both hands on camera, but you guys won't be seeing everything. To be honest, I just want to glue these nails on or get these nails on, and then I'll come back and do the painting of the nails and the design with you guys. So today I am going to be putting all these full tips with the, I don't know how to say this, Apres Gel X, you know, the bonder, the gel, and the primer. And then we'll be going in with these beautiful vibrant colors from Beetles. I just picked up from Amazon because it's summer. I want to try something fun, so that's why I purchased those. So I did want to incorporate some of these, but I think I'm gonna leave this design for a next video. I already filed the nails and everything, so now I'm just going to prep and prime it and put these nail tips on and be right back. Was, if you guys remember how it looked, but these are the nails. So now we're gonna get into designing, but before I get into designing, a little side note that I just noticed with the Beetles light, the Beetles mini UV light. This was the first one that I purchased, and this was the second one that I purchased. And look, this one I could show you guys, but I plugged it out. But anyways, this one, it only works when you press the button, right? When you take your hand out, it doesn't turn off, which is crazy because the light just stays on. But this one, I noticed as soon as I put my fingers in, it's like motion detector. As soon as you put your fingers in, it turns off. As soon as you take it out, it turns off. So I think this one is a way much better light. I'm glad I tried this one out today because I've had this for a while now. So I'm glad I actually took it out the little box that I had it in. So sorry, this is my new thing. So guys, honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. I probably just polished the nails, and I do have these flowers, but I just don't know if these flowers are going to even work. I don't even know. But anyways, let's paint the nails and see how we like them. If not, I think I'll probably just leave one nails just to put the flower on it, but let's just do these nails and see. Okay, so this is where I decided to take a different route. Like, I realized that the colors that I showed in the beginning were going to be too light, and I would have to add like 5 or 6 coats of gel polish just to get the colors to pay off because they were too translucent, I should say. So I decided to try this other pink color that I have, and then I thought then I'll use this and then I'll put the other brighter color on top to see how it would look. But guys, I was not liking it. I was really getting frustrated right here. I was like, Jesus, let me just go back to the colors that I normally use, that I'm comfortable with, that I know will work. And that's exactly what I did. So you will see it in these clips. Favorite color, and I use it all the time. Let's do the middle one. Let's do the middle nail. And then okay guys, so this is the colors that I came up with. Honestly, I thought it's only when you go to the nail salon you can decide which color you want, but it was a task, so I just had to do these off camera real quick. I still have this hand to do, and I do want to see if I could add some decals or like some flowers to the nails. I don't know if it's gonna be too much, or I like this, just the mixture of both colors on my pinky. I just thought it was cute because we're gonna leave it like this, top coat it, and then we'll do the other nails. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's just top quote it. Let's do this one first. top coat. And then let's add some cuticle oil on all the nails. We're gonna try to take some photos. These are the finished nails. They're so cute. I love how the pink is turned. Oops. Love how the pink is turned off. Look at the thumb. The thumbs are cute too. And these are the cover nails that I use from Beetles. They are so cute. I hope you guys can see it probably. But yeah, but I'll be posting some pictures on the gram so you guys can check it out. So see you guys later.